Okay, taking some more footage of a 105 SL that's been brought in for service. This customer uses a synthetic label stock with a resin ribbon. As you can see, that stock is so demanding on the printer that when we get the printer in for service, you can see where the print head has been adjusted all the way down to the bottom of the threads. I first saw this when I went to close the print head, and it really resisted me closing the print head. So there's really a huge amount of force being applied to the print head, which is the #1 culprit for wearing out print heads. So when you're picking your supplies, you really need to try and find a good label and ribbon combination that want to work together easily. What made me get drawn to this is I went to close the print head and I kept getting a print head open error because that flag right there, that black thing, would not properly go back into place into the sensor area right here when it would close down, because there was so much force being applied to the print head that it was causing sort of a deflection in that shaft, and that sensor was not closing properly, so I was getting a head open error on the display here even though the head was closed. So but this is an excessive amount of pressure for any Zebra printer to be using, and really the supplies and the ribbon and the label combination really need to be looked at again to make sure that the supplies aren't taking the total priority and the printer is having to take the brunt of having to make up for a label and a ribbon that really don't want to operate well together. Talk to you soon. This is AccuWear with another printer repair video. Thanks.